Hi everybody, welcome back to McLaren, Greenwich, and Miller Motorcars. My name is Nick Leiningen, and today I'm going to be showing you what you'll need to do if you run across the unlikely event that your McLaren GT's battery has died. Step 1 is to locate the manual key, which is found in the back side of the key fob. So you will slide the back half of your key and expose the metal manual key. And once you have extracted the metal key from the key fob, you will come to the side of the vehicle, and about 2/3 of the way down underneath the vehicle you will find a plastic hatch. Inside the plastic hatch is a lock that you will insert the key, and this piece right here can be used for a bit more leverage when you're trying to turn the key underneath the vehicle to open the car door. It can be found in your roadside assistance kit, and it's attached just like this to the metal key. Turn and the door will pop open, in which case you can then access the interior of the vehicle. Once you've unlocked the vehicle with the access point underneath the car, you can access the interior of the car, and on the wheel arch you'll find a lever that will allow you access to the front trunk. Next step, once you've unlatched your hood, is to locate your battery. That can be found right behind this panel here. Easily accessible if you undo both this screw as well as this one with either a flathead screwdriver or a coin. Once that is unlocked, you will pull the entirety of the panel off to expose the battery. If you need to use jumper cables, the negative terminal is right here, as well as the positive terminal to the right. If you do need roadside assistance, Miller Motorcars Service Center offers enclosed transport. If you need to avoid the situation in the future, it's highly recommended that you use your trickle charger provided with your vehicle whenever you're not going to be driving the car for extended periods of time, or if it's just sitting in the garage, it's always a good idea to use a trickle charger. Hope that helps.